The latest iPhone 7 Plus became available only yesterday in the first batch of countries, and iFixit website has already posted a teardown video of the smartphone. The video reveals the iPhone 7 Plus to be largely the same as its predecessors. However, there are some changes seen in the processor placement. The teardown video also gives an in-depth look at the new Taptic engine and talks about the battery capacity, RAM and a new barometric vent that is now placed where the headphone jack used to be. The barometric vent in the iPhone 7 Plus is claimed to have been included for accurately measuring altitudes despite the waterproofing materials used in the device.